Hello everyone, so we just got brand new Clopay Garage Doors. They're pretty awesome and quiet. These just got installed this morning. Actually, the garage guy just left. So yeah, they're really awesome. They're a lot quieter now. First one we're going to be doing, obviously you guys probably know already, is Chamberlain LiftMaster Professional Formula 1. And then this one is 2012. It was installed 2 years ago. And right here, it's LiftMaster Professional Line 1/2 HP. This is a chain drive. Not sure if you can see that, but it's chain drive. And this one over here is a belt drive. So let's open this. Yeah. Now the other one, it's a lot older motor. It's a chain drive, and the garage guy lubricated it so it doesn't squeak as much. But here we go. Shut it. To open this one again so I can get an outdoor view. So, yeah, for an outdoor view now. Sorry, I don't want you to see it. Close it. So these doors are double railed, obviously, as you can see. They are by Clopay, you can probably see. And were installed by B&B Garage Doors. So yeah, these are pretty awesome doors, I'd say. Best doors I've ever seen. Yeah, they're my garage and new garage doors. Thanks for watching.